Top 5 Best Intelligence Agencies in the World. Number 5. Israel's fabled intelligence agency Mossad is tasked to conduct covert operations and collect information, and is known for carrying out mysterious operations. Number 4. Russia's Federal Security Services, or FSB, is part of the executive body that deals with internal security and have thwarted many attacks in the past. Number 3. The Secret Intelligence Service, or SIS, famously known as MI6, of United Kingdom's chief role is to counter terrorism, and for this purpose, it is committed for foreign intelligence gathering. Number 2. The Central Intelligence Agency, or CIA, of the United States' primary function is overseas intelligence gathering, and is the only agency authorized to execute operations on behest of the President. Number 1. Pakistan's primary intelligence agency, the ISI, has successfully foiled the proliferation of terrorism inside Pakistan and thwarted every foreign plan of destabilizing the country. ISI is defending Pakistan from terrorist networks operating in foreign lands and tactfully gains intelligence of terrorist activities and the existential threats to Pakistan. ISI's biggest achievement was the tactical info it provided in 1984 that averted an attack on Pakistani nuclear installations. In 2016, ISI caught and divulged Indian spy Kulbhushan Yadav from Balochistan, who was involved in subversive activities inside Pakistan. ISI relies more on human intelligence as its spies physically perform the operations without leaving behind traces of their work. Hence, ISI is known as the #1 secretive intelligence agency in the world.